let's learn how to chain stitch. You're going to want to hold the yarn between your thumb and finger to create tension. Wrap your yarn around your hook and then pull the bottom loop up towards the end of the hook. Wrap your yarn around your hook and pull the bottom loop over the end of the hook. Again, wrap your yarn around the hook and pull your yarn over the end of the hook. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull that bottom loop all the way to the end of the hook. Wrap your yarn around and pull the loop over the end of the hook. And this should have created 5 chain stitches. You can see the V's here, and each of the V's are a stitch, and you have created the chain stitch.